This video is for November CFA Level 1 exam takers. This is the time when a lot of them have registered and they have decided to start studying, and we get a lot of students coming here and looking for this condensed course, the one that we offer as a 100-day course. And now I'm going to look at how we can prep in the next 100 days. What is the realistic plan to crack CFA level 1 in 100 days? Is it ideal? No, obviously we would have liked longer time, but if you have already registered for the examination, it makes sense to somehow ensure you do clear the level 1 exam. So we share this with all of our condensed program students, but I thought I will share with the larger student community here through YouTube. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. What is the first course that you're going to study? What is the first topic rather you're going to study? Then how are you going to come back to it later to revise the first time, the second time, and how you can finish all of this in 100 days, so that by say like around November 10th you are ready and raring to take on the CFA level 1 exam. All right, so let's go jump into the Excel. Hopefully we will get through this one and then you will have a proper plan. Hi, so we'll look into the Excel itself. So I will be sharing this Excel for you to take a deeper look. I'll be probably posting it in the description. It might take a day or two for me to upload it and for you to be able to access it. But I just want to give you an overview. What's your ideology for the next 100 days? So if you are preparing for the November exam, you have roughly 100 days. So here we are starting from August 1st. But if, let's say, you're starting from August 5th, it doesn't matter. So this one ends at November 10th. It might end at November 15th, here and there, 1 or 2 days. That's not a problem. A 100-day plan. So this one is going to start with, always, I think there's a good thing is to start with TVM. First of all, it will give you an understanding of the discounting process, but also it gives you a good hands-on experience with a calculator. Your TVM cash flow functions, you'll get to know and use it better. Then post your quantitative methods. We are going to recommend that you start with equity. All right. So the way this structure is, right, so you will first study 3 topics. Then after that, you will do one revision of the first topic. Then you will keep going. You will study one topic, then again revision, study one topic, review. Then you finish first review. Then you will do second review. So the reviews are shorter. So the study time is roughly on average 7 days for each topic, whereas the review is just 2 days in the first time. And then in the review, too often it is just 1 day. So you will see that in aggregate, out of the 100 days, roughly 70 days we have allocated for study and 30 days for review. But the review is interspersed with your studying. Okay. So as I said, TVM, then equity. Equity is good, interesting, easy, quick win. You can finish it off by the first week. We start with equity valuation and the other topics. Then after equity, I recommend that you can go to portfolio management. That is a logic to it. I think maybe we can have a detailed video one other time. Right now, you folks already are short of time. So let's look at just getting through this plan for now, and a lot of the rationale maybe we can talk about in another video. So portfolio management, another week or so, within 2 weeks, so you've finished 2 topics. Wonderful. After portfolio management, the logical one to do would be corporate issuers or fixed income. See, I think like we have finished 2 easy ones, then I think fixed income might be a good one to tackle. It's a little bit more difficult, definitely, but I think let's try to wrap that up here. And that way also, if you need an extra day, it's okay. You will have some cushion to wiggle around and make some changes to the plan. So the third topic is fixed income. Post that, then the next review one is going to be the first topic that you studied, which in the case is equity, right? So we'll go back to that. So August 21st, 22nd, just a couple of days. As I said, like the 7 days and then like 1 or 2 days for the first review. So you do that. Then the fourth topic you're going to be looking at after that is FSA. Yeah. So yeah, after your fixed income, you're going to finish off FSA. So this is a little longer topic, I think, particularly the taxation side, the direct, indirect tax, etc. So spend a little time. So this may be might take you closer to 10 days. So again, after FSA, you'll go back to the second topic you studied for review, which would be what? Portfolio management, right? So that would be the second revision topic, right? So this is the first revision for portfolio management. So we finished now 4 topics of study and 2 topics of review. So then we were going to like kind of catch up and do more review as we probably accelerate the review process. But at this point, this is the cadence. We'll do 1 topic studying and 1 review. So now after that, we are going to go and look at corporate issuers for studying, and then we'll go back and review fixed income. So after corporate issuers, we are going to finish off quantitative. That's whatever is remaining of the TBM. Then we will, that is October 3rd. After that, October 3rd, we are going to be reviewing it. Yes, a couple of topics, I think. So October 4th and 5th is corporate issuers. So we do that, and then we will tackle derivatives. This is a little challenging one. So we'll finish that off. I did forget, I think, alternative investments. So that's actually before quant. So it's a very easy topic. A couple of days again, we'll study alternative investments. So derivatives. And then after that, we are going to hit ethics. So ethics is going to be pretty, in first time you read it, the concepts is going to be challenging. The way they ask the questions, etc. So that's why we have 5 revisions for ethics. Very important, all the way until the end. Like you're going to be solving those questions, the concepts, because it's very nuanced. And so we will try to keep the first revision as close as possible. See, generally for the longer one, we follow a different approach. But for the condensed one, I think this is the best option. Study it closer to the end of the exam, but then review it 5 times, 4 times, 6 times, more than what you would normally review the other topics. All right. So that's how it is pretty much structured. All right. As I said, I will give you this Excel anyway. So go through this in detail. Hopefully this will help you. All right, so if you stick to this plan, I am pretty confident you will be able to master the topics. Even though it's a short window, 100 days, you will be ready by the time your exams are due. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below and we will be happy to help you with your CFA Level 1 preparation. All the very best with your practice. See you soon.